let's look at number 36. So I drew just part of the graph here. We've got a semicircle going from 2 to 6 for our function f. And the question is asking what's f prime of 5. And this is a pretty darn challenging one. Like f prime of 5, we want to know what's the slope of the tangent line here at 5. And we're lucky that this is a circle, because in a circle, the radius and the tangent are perpendicular. So if I were to draw a radius from, okay, center of the circle here at 4, if I were to draw a radius right there, that's perpendicular to the tangent line. Well, if I can get the slope of the radius, I know that the slope of the tangent line will be the opposite reciprocal, because they're perpendicular lines. So let's try to figure out the slope of the radius. Okay. Well, luckily, I can create a triangle right here and get rise over run and figure out the slope of that radius. Okay, so from 4 to 5, that side has a length of 1. And from 4 out to the edge of the circle, well, that's a radius, and the radius of the circle is 2. So I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem. 1 squared plus b squared equals 2 squared to get the length of this side, that leg. Okay, so b squared is 4 minus 1, 3. So b is root 3. I don't need a plus or minus there because it's the length of a side of a triangle. There we go. Well, let's take a look at the slope here. If I think about rise over run, I know the slope of the radius. Okay, so this line is definitely slanted downwards. We should end up with a negative for that slope. And then rise over run. We're looking at change in y over change in x. The change in y is root 3. The change in x is 1. So we're looking at negative root 3 over 1. Or yeah, just negative root 3. That's the slope of the radius. And I know that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius of a circle. Hooray for geometry. And perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. So the slope should be the opposite, so other sign. So it's going to be positive, and then reciprocal. So I'm going to flip over that fraction. So 1 over root 3. And then I take a look at those options, and I notice that that is option B, as in beautiful math. Have a great day.